Welcome back to PinTech. I just finished doing a semi-Playfield restoration, repairs, and modification installation in this Bally Kiss. And this video is for the client to show them the machine functioning 100% after the work that was done. Note the displays in the back glass are now Wolfpack displays, and they're red. They're not orange. That comes across on the video. There's LEDs all throughout the machine, and in the back glass I even installed blinking LEDs behind Gene and Ace's faces to add a little more animation to the back box. There's an entirely new board set in the machine, including a new soundboard that plays music of the band, as well as gives call outs, and also retains the stock sounds. Typical on Bally Kisses of this era is complete Playfield wear in this section right here, where the Playfield art is worn down to the wood and the inserts get scalloped or cupped. And that was typical. That was what was going on with this machine as well. The artwork was worn basically down to the wood, and there was tons of cupping in the inserts. So that's all been addressed. Also notice as modifications is there's LEDs throughout the Playfield. We have translucent red super bands on the flippers and all the rings. And the pop bumper bodies have been replaced with modern ones that are translucent and color coordinated. For instance, on the Gene pop bumper, his LED is red, and his translucent pop bumper body is red as well. It might not come across too good on the camera, but in real life it's a really nice effect, and it looks much better than the stock white bodies. Basically, that's it for me babbling. Let's play our game and show the features in action. One point of note is with the new soundboard, you can change the song of the band that you want to hear during gameplay, and that's done with a button on the front of the cabinet, and I'll give that demonstration after I start the game. So let me start the game. So we have Rock and Roll All Night starting off, and if I want to change that song, I press the button on the front of the cabinet. Now we have I Was Made for Loving You. Change it again. We have Love Gun, and on and on and on. So you can choose whatever song you want to start the game with, but after the end of each ball, a new song will start up on its own, and you can change that, of course. So let's start a game. looks like we might roll it. Yeah, just rolled it. So that's Bally Kiss after the work that was done. And you can see the Playfield restoration turned out quite well. There you can see the pop bumper bodies. And as I was saying, you could change the song you're listening to during gameplay with this button on the left, that red button. When the machine was brought here, there's a white button there and nothing was attached to it, and I didn't want to seal up the wood there and refinish the entire cabinet, so I thought I'd incorporate a button for the sounds there that you can change them, and install the red button in place, and that works pretty well. So anyway, that's Bally Kiss. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. If you have a pinball machine that needs repair or restoration, contact me at Pintech on Facebook or pintech@mail.com. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.